Imagine Apple killing the iPhone to build a new product. You'd think Tim Cook had lost his mind. But that's exactly what happened last week at Tesla. Elon Musk announced on the earnings call that two cars that put Tesla on the map, the Model S and the Model X, are being retired next quarter. Not because they failed, because they're in the way. They're in the way of something Tesla believes is far more important. That thing is called Optimus. So what is Optimus? Optimus is a human laborer, a robot designed to do the jobs humans are tired of doing. It's powered by the same AI brain that drives Tesla's cars. And Tesla just cleared out its most iconic assembly line to build it. Let that sink in. Musk's new mission statement says everything. Amazing abundance. Abundance of labor, production, and capability at scale. Optimus isn't a side project anymore. It's important enough to retire the legends that built Tesla. This isn't the end of an era. It's the start of a new one. The age of physical AI. And this gets very real on the factory floor. Because Fremont is no longer just a car factory. It's becoming what Tesla internally is calling it Optimus Central. Tesla is targeting 1 million units per year at this new facility. This lines up with Optimus Gen 3, the first version designed to be manufacturable, a robot built to manufacture a workforce. No more pre-programmed robots, no more pre-programmed movements. The robot sees, understands, and acts like a human worker. Gen 3 is expected to be unveiled sometime in the first quarter of this year, with production ramping by the end of the year. It's an aggressive timeline, because here's what most people missed. There are already 1,000 Optimus units operating inside the Giga Texas factory, doing real kitting and logistics work. Kitting means pre-bundling every part needed for a job into one box so workers never have to leave their station. Exactly the kind of work that Optimus is currently doing today, moving parts, supplying lines, and working alongside humans. So this has quietly moved from R&D to utility. Then came the part of the call that made investors real nervous. The financials. Tesla just signaled a $20 billion bet on something that isn't a car. Tesla's sitting on a $44 billion cash hoard and nearly doubling CapEx expenditure in 2026. Companies don't spend like this unless they feel like there's a massive movement coming. On the call, Musk also mentioned building what's known as a terafab, a domestic chip facility handling both logic, memory, and packaging. Because in a few years, chips become the bottleneck for robots. So Tesla is doing what it always does when suppliers limit ambition, building the entire stack themselves, from silicon to software to the market reaction was decidedly split. Some analysts model a $2 trillion valuation if Tesla dominates physical AI. To them, this isn't crazy. This is early. But the retail investors, they see something different. They see Tesla shutting down profitable car lines for a robot that currently makes $0. That makes some people nervous. But Musk went further on the call, saying Optimus could eventually impact U.S. GDP by solving the labor shortage. So that's not a product pitch. That's an economic thesis. The bulls see the future, the bears see the risk. And Tesla is betting the company the future wins. Target price for each Optimus in the $20 to $30K range. So that's not a research robot anymore. That's a consumer product. By retiring the Model S and the X, Musk is burning the boats. There's no going back. It's robots or bust. So the real question is Elon crazy, or does he already see the future? Subscribe to the Robotic Life. Thanks for watching. I'm Lars, and we'll see you in the next one.